Hey guys, it's me Kiri. I'm back and today I'm gonna do an unboxing video from YesStyle. So this is my very first time ordering from them and I have no expectations at all. Prices were great and I got these stuff on sale and shipping took maybe 2 to 3 weeks, but that's because I didn't qualify for the express shipping. So I'm just gonna open it and I'm gonna try them on and see if the fitting is good. So I believe YesStyle is all the way from Korea. I could be wrong, I probably need to look it up. But their clothes are made from like everywhere. So, what? I'm confused. I think I ordered like 6 things and is this it? Where the heck is the sponge container? This is like so flat. You know, freaking Asians, they know how to make things fit. Ay, ito siya. Oh, okay. So ito yung the non-clothing items. Let's start with this one. They wrapped it with with a bubble wrap. Oh, here's the eyelash. Whoa. They look a little different from what I saw online. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is probably like 2 lashes put together. That's the length of each one. It's kind of ridiculous. I'm wearing lashes right now and I think it's pretty dramatic what I have on, but this is like Lady Gaga level. You know what I mean? Maybe it's gonna be pretty, who knows? And we have this. Okay, let's talk about prices since they're there. So this lashes, oh, it doesn't say, never mind. But I got it, I think, for like 5 something or 3 something, one of those. And then this one I got for either $1 or $2, one of them. But isn't it cute? It's like a little chicken kind of thing with the legs, and then you can put your sponge and it's gonna be like an egg. So yeah. So now on to the clothes. So this is the blue top. It's called the strappy ruffled floral top. I got it in small. Whenever you order from YesStyle, you really want to take a look at the measurements for sizing because they could say small for one thing and then you might be a medium for another brand. So you really got to check. And with Asian sizing, you usually have to go down a size a bit because everyone there is like so tiny. I actually saw this girl on YouTube get this and review it and said like it was the cutest thing ever. So I felt brave enough to get it too. I got this for, I believe, $8 or $9. I could be wrong. I'm gonna put the actual prices, but that's the price that I got and it's not too bad for the price, honestly. You do have some loose strings here and there, but nothing that like scissors can't fix, you know what I'm saying? So yan, ganon, okay? So for this one, I think I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10 because it's a really good price. It's really cute, it fit me well. I can wear it every day. I only deducted a little bit of points because the quality isn't as amazing as I thought. But other than that, this is a cute one. Yeah, but ayan. Oh, this one came from China. This is the mini skort. Oh my god, this is so cute. And I think I got this in small as well. Wow, it looks really small. I hope I fit. It also has some like a little bit of loose strings that's off. This one, the quality feels great, not gonna lie. I think I feel like this would be like more Forever 21 quality, and then this one is more like Zara. It's the material is thick and yeah, it just feels like more sturdy, if that makes any sense. So this is a skort. I am totally and absolutely in love with it. It's so flattering, such a beautiful fit. It's like just right at the waist, enough for if you pig out, there's still a tiny bit of space for expansion. I like the asymmetrical design here. It's just super flattering. And the quality is impeccable, so definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. because there were these little cute pearl-like buttons on it, and I was like, ugh, I want it. Let's open it. And I also got this one in small. Oh, okay. So I'm a little confused. Oh, this one's from Korea. Haha. You know why? How I know? Right there. It's like Korean letters. This is a size small. It's supposed to be a little bit loose, I think. And oh my god, I look like well, I haven't put it on yet, but it kind of reminds me of a nun. I don't know, maybe that's just stuck in my head because that movie, The Nun, is out. And they're like all wearing black and the white, and then... Alright, material is also good. There's also some loose strings here and there, if you can see. But yeah, nothing the scissors can't fix. So this one was also really cute. I think I give this a rating of 8 out of 10. For the quality, it's not bad. It's not the best, but it's still comfortable. I really like the color. I love the design. I only deducted a tiny bit of points because of the sizing. The part in the shoulder when I'm at rest is a little bit on the bigger side, but it's not too bad. I mean, I'm still able to move and everything. It's just, it would be more flattering if it was a perfect fit. Let me just show you what I mean. See? This is exactly what I was talking about. But you know, you can't get the perfect. Nothing that a sewing machine can't fix. You can put this tie either up in the back here or here in the front, just to make it like tighter and to give it this like cute little A-line shape, if you're into that, instead of the, you know, just all out like that. So it just gives you more variation, more choices to get flirty and get all cutesy with your outfit. Ganon. Okay, these two are actually a pair. I saw this and it was like the cutest thing ever, and so I wanted both the blouse and the skirt. You can order them separately, but okay, this is the skirt. I don't know why I chose to get the medium. I think it's, oh no, it looks kind of big. I'm nervous. There's a lot of loose strings in this one, guys. Let me see. Like right here. Right here. Maybe I'm just gonna get my grandma to like stitch it all or sew or whatever. Yeah. It feels not as sturdy as the previous skirt, so I'm definitely gonna wanna like re-sew this. But it's cute. I don't think it's gonna fit. We'll see. Man, I should have went with my gut instinct and got everything small. And last one is the blouse, which is one size fits all. Ooh, I really like the pattern. Super pretty floral. Okay, why does it not look like what I saw online? Maybe I just need to try it on first. Material is also like not amazing, but it's not too bad for the price either. Okay. This one is a little problematic for me. I'm probably gonna give it a 5 out of 10. It looked really cute in the pictures, like the main character in a Korean drama, but then once you try it on, you look like the mother of the main character. That's what happens. So the blouse is not as long as I would like, and in here it's just really stiff instead of like being open like this. In the picture it just remained open the whole time, and it was just like flattering, and then in here it just keeps going back. The quality is not the best. It's not that good, to be honest with you, but the print is pretty. The skirt, oh man, we've got lots of issues to talk about here. This is what makes it look like the Korean heroine's mother type of look. So the skirt is a little too long. In the picture it was like this, okay, and here is like this, like I'm telling you. I had to like hold it back here. This is the smallest size they have available, and if you can see it, there's that much space left. See, look at that. That's a medium, and that's the smallest they have available in the site. But if I squeeze this in, it's not too bad. Now I could be the actual main character and not her mother. See what I mean? Not too bad. Okay. So yeah, because of all the sizing issues and the not so amazing quality, I'm just gonna give this a 5 out of 10. I can still work with it though, so yeah. And that concludes my unboxing video. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoyed this. Please hit like and subscribe if you want to see more. But yeah, overall, YesStyle, I give them a rating of 7 out of 10. Yeah, there's just like such a good range from like super good quality to okay-ish, and then prices were great. They're always having sales. Shipping kind of took a while, but obviously if I order more, I'm sure they're gonna ship within like a week. So yeah, I hope you order from them too and you tell me what you think. All right, bye.